Hello guys, welcome to another IoT course with me, and today we're going to bring up an interesting IoT topic that we can look into the business perspective. But before that, the other week I've been asked to show you guys like the mini tutorial to do this Adafruit feather board, which we can connect it to the internet and then to display information of air quality of Santetien here. But I've been wondering though about that video. If this board can display information, so it will be possible to get information to be exported to other destinations, right? Makes sense, right? I'm gonna tell you now that shortly I'm gonna show you that it is possible. It makes sense. But before that, I'm gonna show you like how big IoT scope is. It's not just about the device. What if I told you that
building an IoT product is hard. You have to combine three things: hardware, software, and connectivity. Each has its own challenges and requires its own expertise. There are plenty of companies that do one of these things, but they tend to ignore the rest. They'll tell you, that's your problem. But Particle's different. We're built from the ground up as a fully integrated IoT platform that offers everything you need, all rolled up into one. First, we give you the hardware that connects your device to the internet in minutes, over Wi-Fi, cellular, or mesh networks. Next, our development tools help you write the software that makes your product tick. And finally, our device cloud gives you full control over your fleet, from your first device to your millionth unit. We handle security, scalability, and reliability, so you and your team can sleep at night. Don't take it from us though. There are hundreds of thousands of people around the world using our platform, and 8,500 companies launching products powered by Particle, the most widely used, enterprise-loved, all-in-one IoT platform. Particle. Welcome to Real IoT.
Welcome to the Real IoT. Even though there are a lot of brands of this similar board out there, it is still interesting to discuss about Particle.io, especially on how Particle board has been a significant breakthrough in IoT world and industries across the world. Let's begin with the customer's point of view. It basically started with this idea, this small hardware that we can either show or get data or information to be sent to the internet. We have to connect this tiny device through the mobile app, or we call it device operating systems, and get connected. But what's actually next after connecting to the internet? Who's gonna host the data? Well, good thing of Particle.io, unlike other similar hardware providers, it will host the connectivity through its own cloud service. So the cloud enables the project handlers to simply modify their own codes, having specific key to the IoT devices operations, and to monitor all results and other operations needed through the console. So in other words, the cloud gives such control. So how could this be significant? The answer is connectivity. Imagine if you have a project consisting of 50 sensor boards to be connected as part of your specific research, and you want to have all the data real time.
The big idea of Opti is to take stormwater storage systems and apply the ability to dynamically control when water stays, when it leaves, and how fast it leaves when it does. This approach is called Continuous Monitoring and Adaptive Control, or CMAC, and it integrates cloud-based technology, sensors and flow controls in the field, and weather forecasts to achieve site-by-site objectives.
Alexa, ask Particle Cloud for value of temp.
The value of the variable name temp on device office sensors is 84.736747741699922.
The changing business model of Particle is the connectivity of the cloud for other businesses' innovation and business models like we see from the clients. And although the securities are assured, physical attacks and cloud protection threats are still inevitable, unfortunately. So it makes sense, right? IoT is not just about the device, it's about the connectivity that we can use for other uses, like it's universal. Well, since we are early makers, we need to early make things possible. Bye.